Yo, what's up? This is Gospel Tour, Butle Sbanze. This is Butle Sbanze presenting Gospel Tour. Today, I'm in Gauteng.
I'm gonna stand against the Lord. I'm gonna push throughout the clouds. For brighter light is waiting for me.
I'm with my brother from another mother, from the motherland. Yo, introduce yourself, my bro. Who you are and which country are you from?
Yeah, nice to meet you. Okay.
Yeah.
It's been a long time.
A long time.
Since we started from Val.
Since when?
I think it's almost 2 years back or like.
Yeah, it's been
Yeah.
2 years because I was in Northwest, then
Yeah.
Swaziland, the Cape Town.
Okay, yeah.
Yo,
More than 2 years now.
it's a gospel tour that I'm doing.
Yeah. Even some other time, like I didn't have your contact, so I was glad to hold of you. Luckily, like media person.
Yeah.
So, by the way, you should subscribe this guy.
Yeah.
You just tell your account so that they will subscribe and then
It's Buhle Goje, Buhle Goje,
Yeah,
That's
subscribe.
what's up. Subscribe
Link, share, they will copy. Yeah, you should get
and comment.
support
And comment.
Yeah, let's encourage this person.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Did you introduce yourself to who you are?
yeah, my name is Thomas, but
Yes.
Arabic is Masala.
Masala. I love the masala one.
Yeah,
Salam alaikum.
meaning is like similar.
Oh, it means similar.
Yeah, similar like twins.
Oh, okay.
So I'm look like my father. That's why.
That's why they when they saw you when you were born, they were like, "This is Masala as the father."
Yeah, it looks like my dad. That's why.
Oh, okay. Now I get the name where it's coming from. So, as we'll be learning how to speak, what language do you speak? Actually, you from Ethiopia?
Yes, I am from Ethiopia.
Sure. How many languages are in Ethiopia?
Actually, more than 80 languages in the culture also in Ethiopia.
Sure.
Ethiopia is a multi-ethnic country in which about 80 languages are spoken across the nation. Since the establishment of the transitional government in 1994, which led to ethnical federated country, fundamental changes have occurred in the language policies and practice in the country. Some of the changes has been occupied by positive outcomes, such as increasing use of local language in various dimensions of political and social life. Another advantage has been the promotion of local languages and their use in social schools, especially at the lower levels. Nevertheless, the changes are also posing challenges at the higher level of education, owing to a limited availability of polyglots.
But the language is called Amharic. So
Amharic.
this is everybody, we communicate, understand each other.
Oh, it's like English
Like
in the southern countries.
Yeah.
Okay.
Amharic is like all Ethiopian.
Okay.
People are in speak.
So,
Our communication way.
in short, when you go to Ethiopia, learn Amharic.
Amharic, yes.
That will be the center of the languages.
Yes.
Wow. All right. Amharic is the main language. If you want to go to Ethiopia and you are trying to understand these people, try to learn the Amharic. It's the only one that will get you through. It's your passport, that one.
Yes.
To communication.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So, today I think you'll be teaching me. You'll be teaching me those languages, especially your language. Which one do you speak well?
Me, I speak Amharic, but there's other my mother tongue.
Yeah. Okay.
It's called Hadiya.
It's Hadiya.
Yeah.
Yeah. Guys.
Yeah, it's
Yo.
Hadiya.
I'm excited to learn languages because in South Africa I know Sotho, Pedi, Zulu, Xhosa, Swati. Okay, I'm a Swati origin. Swati. What else?
Zulu, yeah, I know you speak also.
Yeah. I think five languages, but others they are just the cousins of the others because if you know Sotho, you can hear Pedi, you can hear Tswana. So yeah, okay, yeah, no problem.
By the way, the first time when I meet, I thought you are the Zulu.
Serious?
I never knew that you are from Switzerland or something like that. So the way you're speaking,
Yeah.
I remember last time the other person we got together and then that person I think he's speaking, but he said he's a Zulu person. And you asked the question with the Zulu language. He was confused. He didn't mean answer, but
he said he's a Zulu.
But you know more than them, so that's good. Very all about experience.
Me, I always train myself to learn people's languages so that it will be easy for me to understand them. Because if you understand the language of the person, it will be easy for you to understand who they are and what are they saying exactly. Yeah, so in most cases, when I do that, but I think you are not the first one who says I'm a Zulu, because even my attitude, not to I'm violent or what, because my skin, my skin is from Nigeria,
But
guys.
we all Africa, but you look like
like the Zulu people. Okay,
with
okay.
that kind of
Yeah.
that's
So it's not the first time I get that one. People, they get surprised when I tell them that no, I'm actually a Swati. So yeah, they get surprised. But yeah, that's me trying to preach the borders of the languages, learning people's languages. Yeah, as we are here today, I'm learning your language today.
Yeah, anyway, you are African.
Yeah, we are one, man. We are one. At the end of the day, we need to understand one another. We need to know each other's languages for us to communicate and connect at the end of the day. So yeah, let's get into it. I want to learn from the greeting.
Yeah.
From the greeting, or which words do you think we should learn first in your language?
Yeah, you know, each and everything starting from greetings, right?
Yeah, very. You have to know how to greet
You have to
first.
greet. After greet, you can ask like, if you are hungry, you can say I'm hungry.
Okay.
If you are if you are going somewhere and you don't know that place, ask for direction and stuff. That's a main
okay.
That's a key.
Sure.
Without greeting, you can't just say.
Yeah.
You know, everything is starting from 0 1.
Yeah. So greeting is the zero.
When you know about the words, and then words, it's gonna make sentences so that you can create how to talk.
Sure.
So what I'm saying is, if you see someone, salam nachu, like if someone is saying salam nachu.
Okay. The salam nachu means
like
hello.
Like hello, greetings, by the way.
Okay.
If you see one person say salam no,
or if there are more than two,
salam nachu,
it's salam nachu, sanbonani.
Yeah, like sanbonani, or like how are you guys?
Yeah, yes. Yeah. Greetings, guys.
Yes.
Okay.
So,
but if it's one, it's
salam no.
Salam no.
Yeah.
Sawubona, it's salam no.
Yeah.
Okay. Hello, it's salam no.
Yeah.
Greetings, people. And it's salam nanchu.
Yeah. And then in no, which is like how are you doing?
What's
up?
In no. In no.
Yes.
I want to be good in pronouncing them. Yes. That's why I'm repeating them.
Just say in no.
In no. Yeah. How are you? Yeah. Salam nanchu. Salam salam. In no.
Allen.
Yeah,
Allen, which means like, well, we are okay, we are like in good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like when we are saying sometimes like Allen, we still okay. It sounds a lot of ways.
Okay.
Yeah, we just take up like what's up. When you say what's up, like you know, like we say what are you doing, what's going on, how are you doing, you know, that kind of thing. One way you can use it again. Yeah. So when you say midnight, like, Allen, which means that we are still alive. We are still Allen. Okay.
So when you say I'm okay, you say I'm Allen.
Allen.
Oh, Allen. Yeah. The Allen is what it, I'm fine.
Yes, like I'm fine.
Okay, but if you want to say I'm fine, you can say Allen. Salam nachu.
Well, I guess now you actually like salam nachu.
Yeah.
How are you? I say I'm fine, and then you like no.
Okay. Also, I'm asking, then I have to say Allen.
Yeah, Allen. Yeah.
Oh, Allen. Yeah. All right.
That's how it is.
The next step. Guys, remember to play it back slow and understand the greetings again. Because here we're trying to save time. We'll be opening it. We're gonna open it as a class, but no, we're trying to save time. You go back and play it slow so that you'll understand it.
Yeah. Thank you. If anything, whenever we're speaking, if something is wrong, that's but not just judge us. At least correct him.
Yeah, do correct us.
Sometimes when you go to on YouTube, TikTok, when you see his account, when you follow him, if something when it's
comment,
on the comment, just correct him.
Yeah,
that's how we understand each other.
Thank you. Do comment on the comment section and ask another ones. He will come for part 2